Hey guys, welcome to Make Money Peter channel. It's Peter and today we're gonna make money. If you're ready, I'm gonna show you 5 of the best websites online that will pay you daily. So please do not skip the video and watch till the end. I got a website for everybody. It doesn't matter where you live and who you are. Pay close attention to it and take some time to digest it. So, the first website that we have on this list is Athreon. So we can search on Google and we go to Athreon. They're hiring people right now to work from home. The job is a typing job or transcribing. You'll be helping doctors, lawyers, researchers, and so many other professionals around the United States and Canada. And you'll be working as an independent contractor. You'll be turning audio into text. You'll be transcribing interviews, interrogations, lectures, even in the medical field. Now with Athreon, you can you can make anywhere from $20 up to like $50 per hour. They pay weekly. You can get paid through PayPal or direct deposit. That's completely up to you on how you want your money. With this job, you don't need any experience. If you have done this before and you're good at it, they want you to apply ASAP. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But just keep this in mind. When you're signing up, they want you to be good at managing your time. They also want you to have a computer with internet connection. So, what you want to do is just look in the top at the right hand side here where it says apply, click on it, click on apply button, then complete your application and you should hear back from them soon. Click on apply here and you should hear back from them soon. So let's move on to number 2. So guys, number 2 is a website called Superpayme. As you can see here, superpay.me. Now, this is an awesome company for anyone looking for work. It doesn't matter where you live, your experience level, it doesn't matter if you have a computer or mobile device, and they pay daily. This site is really easy to do. And plus, it's for broke people. It's for people that don't have any money. What is Superpayme and how will you be making money on this website? Superpayme is a pay-to-do website. You'll be doing things like surveys, taking offers, watching videos, playing games, and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's a very easy website to earn. You can also make money by referring people to the website. That's completely optional. You don't have to do that, but if you want to maximize your money, you can put that link out there and let people sign up. You're going to make around $50 a day just just doing the task, but if you put your referral link out there, it's possible that you can make 100 or $200 a day with this program. Okay, so guys, let's take a look at the number 3. Number 3 is a company by the name Remote Task. Okay, here we go. This company right here is called Remote Task, and it can actually complement those other two sites I mentioned before. It's a really hot platform right now that people are making money with it. It's a pay to do website. Also, you'll be doing things like transcribing audio, you'll be labeling images. The type of work you'll be doing for this company is pretty easy to do. Matter of fact, you can do this type of work while chilling at home, or you can work anywhere else. This is a remote job, you can work anywhere you choose, even though this is simple to do. The pay typically starts out pretty small. I'm talking like 2 cents to 10 cents per task, but don't be fooled by that, because if you're quick and efficient, those numbers can add up pretty quick, putting some serious bang in your pocket, especially when combined with those other pay to do websites. So many people who are making money and creating a full time income within this program. So don't underestimate these simple to do program, because they do work. Okay, now let's move on to number 4. It's getting good now. This company right here, guys, this company right here, if you're looking for something that's life changing, something that can put a six-figure income or even more in your pocket, this is the opportunity for you. This website, Home Business Academy. I know this company is not going to be for a lot of people out there, but if you're someone that doesn't want the regular work from home pay to do website, like I just mentioned, this is an opportunity for you. Home based business academy, guys, this is not only a program where you can make a 6 or 7 figure income, it's passive income, guys. You've heard it right. You'll have money coming in even while you sleep, but of course, you have to put in the work. So let me explain what this is all about, so you'll know if it's a fit for you or not. First and foremost, this opportunity is worldwide, meaning it doesn't matter where you live. You can participate in this program now. HBA, or Home Business Academy, was founded back in 2016 by two individuals, Paul Hutchings and Mike Hobbs. And this opportunity is paying 80% recurring commission to you every single week. And let me tell you what you'll be doing. You'll be assisting various businesses out there with marketing tools. You'll be helping them with their landing pages, their capture pages. They'll be able to create a page for anything, and all you have to do is plug them into the system. They'll get the training, they'll get everything they need to do to be successful, and you'll be getting paid in the process. And all I have to do is log into my back office and I follow this simple training. They have training on how to create the pages. They got training on how you can go out there and provide businesses with these pages. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave all the links below this video. Let's talk about number 5 now. Let's talk about number 5, which is Alpine. Alpine is a company right here, sells smart heating and cooling systems online. Their goal is to help the environment by selling eco-friendly HVAC equipment and make shopping easy for their customers. Now, what's really cool about this company, Alpine, is most people work for them work from home. They do they do have warehouses, but most everybody who work for them work either from home or remotely. One thing that some of you may like about this company is they also get together for special events like training, working on projects together. They also do fun activities, and here's something else: Alpine offers paid holidays and vacation time, and they have a retirement saving program, and they'll even match half of what you save in retirement, which is pretty awesome. What do you need to work with this company? Well, you need to provide excellent service to the customers, enjoy enjoy helping people, good community communication skills. You also need computer skills, and they also want you to be reliable and accountable. They also have more job opportunities that you can apply for, like customer service, customer support roles. So there are options at Alpine. And if you want to get started with them, just click right here where it says View Jobs, and then you'll be able to complete your application. As you see, you can complete your application. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time, guys. Take care.